Okay, how terrible is this Rite location that I'm about to go to? I'm just like checking for. I'm just checking for like an item on price. See if it's on like 75% off yet, cause it's Sunday morning. And well, is there only one cashier only, or what's going on? It's been like 10 minutes already. What kind of service is this? I'm gonna call Corbett after this. I'm still waiting for someone on the phone. Like, I'm just price checking the item. It's just like rod cut. It's like what? It's just like 20 seconds of walking to the aisle, to the oral aisle. The sensitive. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh. Wow. It should not take 10 minutes, okay? I don't think there's many customers there this morning. I don't know. It shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, okay? To check on an item.